Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the most important shortcut keys of Windows 10 and 11. So let's start. First is Window plus D key. If you press Window plus D, then it will minimize all the window and show the desktop view automatically. Without closing single window, it will directly take you to the desktop like this. Window D, it will take you to the desktop, and once again you will press, you will come to the same window where you are working on. So this is the basic and the most important shortcut, which is Window plus D. The next is Alt tab. Switch between open tabs. If you are having multiple tabs open or multiple apps open, it will take you to the another app by switching one another like this. You can switch between the different tabs altogether. You can see this. I am able to switch from the Chrome to the OBS Studio to the Copilot. So you have to hold the Alt key and then you have to press the tab. So fast multitasking without using any mouse pointer. Now next is Window plus L. Window plus L will lock your computer, and it is essential for privacy and security when you are stepping away from your computer. If you are going somewhere, uh, then no need to worry about. Simply press Window plus L. It will lock your desktop, and you can go. When you come back, you can log in back. So Window plus L is the key which is used for the locking the computer or your desktop. The fourth one is Control plus Shift plus Escape. Control Shift Escape will open the task manager. Like, you have to click on this particular thing and then you have to go to the file explorer. In place of that, you can directly go to Window plus E. Once you press Window plus E, it will open you to the file explorer. Next is window next is the Window plus I. So it will open the instant setting. The setting is the most important section where you have to go to change anything in your desktop. So Window plus I will help you to change between the to open the setting page. So from here you can open any of the setting. Like, if you want to go to the accounts of the particular website, so that you can go from there to accounts and others. So this is uh, these are the shortcut keys that can be used uh, for your daily use in the window. Thank you.